Thank you for booking DX Mobile Garage. Our technicians will be there at a given time and date. Thank you. You don't have to go to any car service center for your auto needs because we come to you. To save your time and travel costs, we have different types of our mobile fleet. You can avail accident repairs, mechanical services, windshield changes, computerized diagnostics, auto detailing, window tinting, carbon fiber jobs, and much, much more, all to your doorstep. Book now with special discounts for lady drivers and fleet company vehicles. www.dxgarage.com 056 769 1999.